everyone. My name's Richard Seroter, and welcome to my course, Cloud Foundry, The Big Picture. I'm a director of product management at Google, and I've been working extensively with the Cloud Foundry project since it was first announced back in 2011. Cloud Foundry is one of the most contributed to open source projects ever, and has significant adoption in the enterprise today. In this course, we're going to understand what Cloud Foundry is all about. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include comparing the different options for hosting software, understanding the core features of Cloud Foundry, exploring the architecture of the Cloud Foundry platform, and investigating the Cloud Foundry ecosystem. By the end of this course, you'll know what Cloud Foundry is all about and where it adds value. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about Cloud Foundry with this Cloud Foundry The Big Picture course here at Pluralsight.